Jesus said, "There was a man who had 2 sons. The younger son asked his father for his inheritance and left home.
Father, I need my share of the inheritance. I want to leave. I want to live my own life.
You already have a home here. Why are you so eager to go?
Because staying feels like dying.
If this is the path you choose, then take what is yours.
Laugh, drink, tomorrow is far away. Then pour more wine, tonight we live.
Chasing freedom in a distant land, he spent everything he had until nothing remained.
Where did everyone go?
When famine came, he found himself hungry, broken, feeding pigs and longing for food he could not have.
How many of my father's servants have food? And here I am dying.
Answers and said, "I will return to my father." But while he was still far away, his father saw him and ran to him. He embraced his son, restored him,
Father,
and celebrated his return.
I have sinned.
Bring the best robe. Put a ring on his finger. My son was lost, and now is found.
Yet the older son stood outside, angry.
I served you, and you never celebrated me.
"All that I have is yours, but we must celebrate. For your brother was lost, and now is found." Jesus said, "This parable reveals a father whose mercy outrun rebellion, whole love restores the broken, and whose grace is offered freely to all, both the lost and self-righteous."